AZEK Building Products, the market-leading manufacturer of home building materials, is pleased to announce the availability of BIM content for its performance building solutions. Get started at bimsmith.com and select Browse Market. From there, you can browse through product categories like trim or decking, or select AZEK Building Products under available manufacturers. Then, use BIMsmith's filtering tool to narrow down your search by file type, CSI master format, omni-class, and even different product certifications. If you're not sure which product is right for you, you can compare key stats for each product side by side to get exactly the solution you need. All of our products are ready to download instantly as Revit families and include all the relevant technical documents you might need for your project, including cut sheets, specs, and product brochures. To use AZEK Building Products in Revit, open the provided project file and make your selection of trim, railing, or decking from the options presented on the sheet. To use trim, molding, or railings, just copy and paste the family into your project and place it where appropriate. You can select Create Similar to start a new instance specific to your project, or use Match Properties to replace a generic family in place. For decking, copy the material swatch into your project and use the photorealistic materials provided to create a render-ready model. Each of our product lines come in a project interface with pre-built system families representing all of the options available, so you can make intelligent, informed decisions while saving time and streamlining your process. With our new BIM library, you can start leveraging the performance and design of AZEK Building Products in Revit immediately. Get started with AZEK Building Products in Revit today.